Most people under 30 think retirement is a future problem. They think they have plenty of time. But in the world of finance, time is a luxury you cannot afford to waste. If you wait until you're 40 to start thinking about retirement, you'll have to save 4 times as much as someone who started at 20. Today, I'm showing you how to build a retirement plan that ensures you never have to worry about money in your old age. The 4% rule. How much money do you actually need to retire? A good rule of thumb is the 4% rule. This states that you can safely withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio every year without ever running out of money. To find your freedom number, multiply your annual expenses by 25. If you need $50,000 a year to live comfortably, you need a $1.25 million portfolio. It sounds like a lot, but with compound interest, it is very achievable. Social Security is not enough. Many Americans rely solely on Social Security, but the average check is only about $1,800 a month. In most parts of the US, that barely covers rent and utilities. You must take control of your own destiny. Think of Social Security as a small bonus, but build your main wealth through 401ks, IRAs, and personal brokerage accounts. You want to be self-insured, so that no matter what happens to government programs, you are safe. The Roth versus traditional debate. Should you pay taxes now or later? With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes today, but the money grows and comes out completely tax-free in retirement. With a traditional IRA, you get a tax break now, but you pay taxes when you retire. If you believe taxes will be higher in the future, which they likely will be, the Roth IRA is a fantastic choice for young people. It's like planting a seed today and getting the entire harvest for free later. Diversification beyond the market. While the stock market is great, a solid retirement plan often includes other assets. This could be real estate that provides monthly rental income or a small business that can be sold or managed by others. Diversification ensures that if one sector of the economy crashes, your lifestyle doesn't change. Real wealth is having multiple pillars of income supporting your retirement. The golden years mindset. Retirement isn't about being old, it's about being free. It's the day when work becomes optional. The earlier you plan, the earlier you can retire and pursue your true passions. Start today by increasing your retirement contribution by just 1%. Tomorrow, for day 28, we explore why self-investment is the highest returning asset in history.